Hey guys, how are we doing today? This is Wally again with LearningNet.com. And if you guys are watching this video, it means that you want to know about the number one home-based business in Canada. If you guys are new here to this channel for LearningNet.com, hit the subscribe button right below along with the bell. And that way in the future videos, guys, that I upload, you'll be sure to receive them. So there are two main focal points on this channel for LearningNet.com. One, to teach entrepreneurs and beginners how to create simple websites online using WordPress. And obviously, to take those same websites and to build something online, such as an income based opportunity. And so that's what we're going to be talking about today. There are a lot of home based businesses out there. This video is not purpose to talk about all of them, but I'm going to talk about one that I came across that is absolutely amazing. I'm talking about Live Good. You may or may not have heard about Live Good. It's a US based company that has just launched internationally. And for this reason, for those that live in Canada, it's a very untapped area. Obviously, in Canada right now, per these stats that you can see on Google, in 2021, there are well over 38 million people that live in Canada. And the awesome thing about this is that, one, your home based business can be worked from anywhere in the world, not only in just Canada, but anywhere in the world. And you can promote it to anybody that breathes. And in Canada, obviously, there's English, there's French, and even Spanish that's spoken there. And so you have three different worlds that you could really target. And this is an untapped market itself. So, what is it that Live Good offers that's really distinct from others? Live Good has the absolute best health and wellness products itself, guys, that you will find online, period. They have a little bit of everything. They're multivitamins, they're energy powders, they have CBD oils, guys. They have organic coffee that helps you to lose weight. Are you wanting to lose weight, or do you know somebody who wants to lose weight? They have an amazing coffee, guys, that allows you to do just that. Now, when you get started today using the links up below, you're going to notice that you're going to have two options that you can select from. If you want to make money with Live Good, you don't necessarily have to sponsor anybody. It's not a requirement to sponsor people, but obviously, if you go out and share the products, with others, then obviously you'll make money from that. As I mentioned before, they have several products here that you can select from. I'm a person that likes to try out products first before sharing them with others. And as I mentioned before, Live Good is international now. They can ship products to Canada right to your door. And so you'll notice here that there are multivitamin products itself for both men and women. You have organic super greens, their organic super reds, the organic coffee, as I was telling you it before, and you can see all of the health benefits that are related to that. And speaking about health benefits with any weight loss or health or wellness product that's out there, I need to put out a disclaimer that's appropriate for any video online. And obviously, none of these products here are designed to treat, cure, or diagnose any condition itself. And so I just want to put that disclaimer out there, guys. That way, if you're wanting to try the products, I highly recommend that you try them as well. The awesome thing about Live Good, guys, is that they offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. A lot of products online, with just about any company that you may come across, will only give you maybe 15 to 30 days, if that. And so that's another thing that I really love about Live Good is that all of their products come with a 90-day money-back guarantee. In addition to like their energy-based products and also their multivitamins, you'll notice, guys, that they have some amazing products for those that want to look and feel younger, instant youth. And also they have a product called Ageless Skin Serum. Now, if you look at, for example, like the pricing itself, and this is just one of the 15 products, that they have on the site itself, but you can see a clear difference in pricing and also what competitors charge for the same types of products with the same ingredients. Instant Youth, for example, if you guys become a member today, to become a member, there's a one-time $40 plus $9.95. And so every month going forward, recurring, there's a $9.95 membership fee that you'll pay. So it's just a one-time $40. It's a low fee itself. And, once you do that, you guys will be members, of Live Good itself, and you can gain access to the discounted prices itself. If you don't get the membership itself, the retail price on this, and this is just one example of the 15, it's $24.95. If you have the membership, you can gain access to it for $14.95. All of the products itself come with a member and retail price. Obviously, you want to take advantage to become a member today. You'll notice like some competitor products that are similar, but they're obviously more expensive, such as with Jeunesse Instantly Ageless. Their product itself is $52.95. So you're saving 71% by going with Live Good. And you look at another product itself with Barania Instant Beauty 60, there's a $34.50. So you're saving an upwards of 71%. This is just with one of the 15 products itself. If you were to go through and look at the different products, guys, that they offer, you'll see that some of the products you're going to be saving up to 90% with the actual pricing itself if you guys become a member. And so what you're going to be doing with this is that with Live Good, they actually provide websites, 3 different websites that allow you to promote the products itself. One site that I wanted to tell you guys about is this one right here that you receive today. Once you get started, you can click on the link that's right below, and you're going to watch a 5-minute video. That's the idea. Just share this video with people online. You don't have to over explain the products itself. This video explains everything. The person's going to plug in their first and last name right here, their email to pre-enroll. And from that point, they can actually test out the system for themselves, and then they can upgrade and become a member. And so every time that you introduce a new person that upgrades or becomes a member, you get $25 out the gate, for that. Now, as you continue to build, you can, make more money, and that's paid out each and every week, right to, your direct deposit to your account. We also have an iPayout that will allow you to be paid internationally. Okay. And so even if you did not sponsor anybody, if you just locked in your membership today and you didn't sponsor anybody at all, you can make up to $2,047.50 per month, again, without enrolling a single person. To find out more details about that, you guys can check out the link below, do the tour, guys, and watch the video itself. It explains everything there. This is an absolute amazing opportunity where you'll be able to earn income in 6 ways if you decide to go out and sponsor or share this opportunity with others. But if you just want to benefit from the what's called spillover itself with just a membership, you can make money up to $2,000, with that. But if you're a person that's a go-getter like myself and you really want to make money with this, from day one, I highly recommend getting started today, doing the tour, upgrading, becoming a member, start sharing this with other people, share the video with people, and that way you can start earning money today. So basically, to get started, guys, as I mentioned before, you're going to be paying a total of $49.95. That's what you're going to be paying today. Going forward, only $9.95. And every time you share this, the actual products with somebody and they purchase a product, you're going to get $25 commission paid out on your very next week. You can see the breakdown of percentages that you are getting. There's matrix commissions itself. You have matching bonuses if you decide to build like a team of people. There are retail commissions itself. So if a person is, getting started and they want to get like the products itself, there are commissions that you'll get 50% of, what you're actually selling out there. There are influencer bonuses as well. And there's diamond bonus pools as well. So there's 6 different ways, guys, that you can make money from this. It's an amazing, amazing opportunity. I wanted to tell you guys about this. That way you can get started today. If you click the link that's right below, it's going to bring you to this site. All you're going to do is watch this 5-minute video, plug in your details, do the tour, check it out from the inside itself. And that way you can upgrade and get started today. If you have any questions at all, you guys can drop your comments right below this video. Or if you're on my website, I do have a blog post that I put up there. And you can check that out as well and drop any comments or questions that you have. I look forward to working with you guys, and I hope you have an amazing day and that you have success in your business this year going forward.